New in the last 5 minutes, the latest EU says is tariff extension not enough, but rate hikes rise and fall. Trump kicks tariff can. Eco day in the last 15 minutes, US extends negotiations on steel tariffs. EU should be fully and permanently exempted by US steel tariffs in the last half hour. US delays steel tariffs for EU and other allies. Mexico's car industry rejects US Nafta proposal. US stock futures edge up as Washington extends tariff exemptions in the last hour. US delays steel, aluminum tariffs on EU, Canada, Mexico. Germany reiterates that it expects permanent US tariffs waiver. EU says Trump tariff delay creating uncertainty, hitting businesses. LME aluminium prices slip on US tariff delay. China market remains close. Trump caves on tariffs again. Donald Trump delays decision on U.S. steel tariffs for British exports. Germany expects permanent EU exemption from its tariffs in the last 2 hours. EU continues to repeat call for a permanent tariffs waiver from the U.S. Trump delays steel, aluminum tariffs for Canada, EU and Mexico. U.S. President Trump delays metal tariffs on Canada, EU and Mexico. Korean steel permanently exempt from stiff U.S. tariffs. Trump to delay imposing tariffs as the U.S. continues to negotiate deals. This gives EU final waiver extension on steel tariffs. Trump to delay imposing tariffs as the U.S. continues to negotiate deals. Asian stocks rise after tariff postponement announcement. U.S. trade war on ice for a month. Budget golden cow. No sober fins today in the last 4 hours. PM welcomes Trump steel deal. Administration puts off decision on tariffs for EU. Others. Tokyo stocks higher in quiet Labor Day. Trading precious gold dips as dollar holds firm ahead of U.S. Fed meet trade war rumblings. Will China say no to Trump? Europe edition. Tariffs. Netanyahu, Ireland. Your Tuesday briefing. London. Aluminum, zinc prices slip on U.S. tariff delay. Trump delays call on steel and aluminum tariffs. Key allies catch a break. Trump administration delays tariff decision. President Trump postpones imposing tariffs on EU and allies. U.S. stock futures pair losses as Washington extends tariff exemptions. Trump postpones tariffs decision. Trump delays metal tariffs on Canada, EU, Mexico, exempts some others. Metals. London. Aluminum, zinc prices slip on U.S. tariff delay at last minute. U.S. delays metals tariffs again. Trump postpones UK tariffs over trade war fears. Trump delays decision on EU tariffs for 30 days. Trump keeps allies guessing on steel tariffs as deadline looms. US extends temporary steel tariffs exemptions for EU, Mexico and Canada in the last 6 hours. EU wins respite from Trump on tariffs. US reaches agreement on steel, aluminum tariffs with 3 countries. Why a US-China trade war could hurt Asia. How Trump's steel tariffs could impact the UK. US delays decision on steel tariffs. Trump delays tariffs for EU, other allies for 30 days. Trump extends exemption for Canada, Mexico on steel and aluminum tariffs. Trump extends metal tariff talks with EU, Canada, Mexico for 30 days. Trump postpones decision on metals tariffs for Canada, EU, Mexico. Australian steel and aluminium remains exempt from US tariffs. White House delays tariffs on EU, Canada, Mexico ahead of tense China talks as holds off on EU, Canada, Mexico metal tariffs for 30 days. Trump punts again on steel tariffs as China draws a line. Video. Wall Street drops as healthcare slides. Oil climbs. U.S. formally exempts Korea from steel tariffs. Trump delays tariff decisions for EU, Canada and Mexico. Australia avoids Trump's steel tariffs as deadline passes. Reports Trump extends metal tariffs negotiations until June 1. U.S. steel and aluminium tariffs decision postponed. Asia. AM Digest. AUD faces RBA. U.S. tariff exemptions deadline due. Trump delays tariffs and potential trade war against U.S. allies. White House delays tariffs on EU, Canada and Mexico. Trump delays decision on tariffs. Trump delays tariffs decision on EU, Canada and Mexico. The latest. White House delays decision on tariffs. Trump delays steel, aluminum tariffs for U.S. allies for 30 days in the last 8 hours. U.S. stock futures pair losses after U.S. extends tariff exemptions. U.S. delays EU tariff decision until June.